I don't think we're gonna do a full 18 series yet, just because we want to get more consistent.
Just throw holes here and there.
Yeah, throwing holes here and there and doing our thing. We're having a lot of fun with it though. Lost Marsh, man, that place is beautiful.
It's my favorite place I've been to yet.
Yeah,
Odyssey was good if the weather was better.
Oh yeah, Odyssey solid, but Lost Marsh, oh man, those first 5 holes, man, those are the most beautiful golf
I
holes.
lost 2 balls the second hole.
Yeah.